Hi, today let's make tasty Boondi Raita recipe, for which in a bowl you need to take in yogurt. See to that the yogurt is not sour, it's a fresh yogurt. And then you need to add in a little bit of water and then whisk it really very well. For summers or any kind of side dish, trust me, this is a very refreshing kind of raita which everybody like, especially kids will love it. So yeah, try it, definitely a must try. So beat the yogurt really very well so that it's lump free and smooth like this. Now let's add some basic spices like salt. Don't forget to add roasted cumin powder. Don't just add the cumin powder. Roasted cumin powder gives a great taste. Next I'm adding in hing, kala namak or black salt. Then I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder and chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you please go ahead and add in chopped green chilies are there as well. And then whisk it really very well so that all the spices are beautifully combined with the yogurt. Once it's all done, then you can add in your bundi. Here I'm adding plain unsalted bundi. If you want, you can add in masala bundi as well and mix it really very well so that the bundi is beautifully coated with the yogurt, and let this sit for at least 5 minutes so that the bundi soaks it really very well with all the flavors. And that's it, your super simple, super easy restaurant style bundi raita, everyone's favorite, perfect for summer, is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment below. Enjoy.